This video will be on applying the correct belt tension and adjustment on the CFR 651 feed chopper option. Be sure the bale lift is in the upmost position with the transport lock installed. Be sure the tractor is off in the park position. Open the cover door to expose the feed chopper drive assembly. This requires the removal of the 3 3/8 nuts. The tension gauge is located on the corner of the tensioner. This setting should be indicating between 25 and 30 degrees. If adjustment is needed to maintain the life of your belt, this is how the adjustment is completed. There is an adjustment slot located on the tensioner mount plate. First, loosen the bottom 1/2 inch nut on the mount plate, which attaches to the tub wall. Use a 3/4 inch wrench to place onto the welded block located on the top of the tensioner mount. While holding the wrench, loosen the 1/2 inch nut with a 3/4 inch wrench. Due to the tension on the belt, the mount will want to move. Rotate the tensioner within the slot until the correct tension is displayed. Retighten the 1/2 inch nuts. Rotate the belt to confirm alignment. If the tension is not achieved by sliding the mount through the slot, we must rotate the tensioner on the mount. Remove the belt off of the tensioner. Remove the mount off of the tub wall. Loosen the metric bolt which holds the tensioner to the mount on the back side of the mount. Remove the 3/8 bolt and rotate the tensioner to the next hole, which would increase the tension of the belt. Tighten the bolts and attach the mount back onto the tub wall. Rotate the mount until the tension is acquired and tighten the remaining bolts. Rotate the pulleys and belt to confirm alignment. Reattach the guarding and then engage the chopper.